Good morning, young learners of Class 3. Today is thrilling Thursday and the date is 6 August 2020. And you know that every Thursday we conduct our weekly test of English. But before moving to our weekly test, let's review what we did yesterday. In yesterday's lesson, we completed our composition in our notebook, and yesterday we learned how to write in paragraphs. Yesterday I told you that a paragraph is a group of several sentences. तो हम अपनी composition और creative writing जो है वो अब एक paragraph में किया करेंगे, right? और paragraph हमने write किया था about animals by using pronoun I, and we highlighted pronoun in the passage, and you see we also highlighted vocabulary in the passage like barnyard, vegetables, bubbly. Bubbly is the name of the cow because yesterday we chose a cow, right? So after that we completed this passage in our notebook, and after completing that we filled up our index in the beginning. You see in the beginning you filled up our index as well. और अपना क्लास को कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपने आई एम श्योर यहाँ पे जो आपका फेवरेट एनिमल है आप उसकी पिक्चर पेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं, आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. इट्स योर चॉइस. येस्टरडे वी चोज़ काउ, बट इट्स योर चॉइस. मैंने जैसे आपको गाइडलाइन दी थी कि आप किसी भी एनिमल के बारे में राइट कर सकते हैं. उन क्वेश्चंस को अपने सामने रखिएगा और अपने फेवरेट एनिमल के बारे में आपने बताना है कि अगर आप इमेजिन करें दैट यू आर गोइंग टू लिव वन डे ऑफ योर फेवरेट एनिमल्स लाइफ, देन हाउ वुड यू आंसर those questions. Alright, so that's how we did our composition yesterday. Alright, now let's move towards today's test. Alright, today we are going to conduct the test on the topic of pronouns. So let me tell you that how would you prepare your notebook. First of all, क्या करेंगे? How do you start? As always, yes, that's fantastic. I'm sure आप सबको पता है that first of all we draw margin line, then we write down test, because this is the test. When we attempt classwork, we write down classwork. When we do homework, we write homework. So right now write test Thursday followed by the date 6 August 2020, topic pronoun. Alright, मेक श्योर कि आपकी राइटिंग जो है वो फॉर्मेशन, लेटर फॉर्मेशन और राइटिंग बहुत नीट एंड फाइन होनी चाहिए. Alright children, then we will write the statement. Let's read the statement. Underline pronouns in the following. Underline pronouns in the following. You must practice reading the statements, because unless you do not read your statements properly, you won't be able to attempt the answers. जब तक आप question reading skill improve नहीं करेंगे, you won't be able to answer the relevant question. आप उस question का उससे relevant answer write नहीं कर सकेंगे. So यहाँ पे आपको instruction दी जा रही है statements में. Underline pronouns in the following. आपको जो नीचे दिए गए हैं statements, आपने इसमें क्या underline करना है? Pronouns. You can underline by using your pencils, or you can underline by using your coloring pencils, or you can use any of the highlighters, whatever you are having, right? Why do we use highlighters or coloring pencils? Because it helps our text to look prominent and visible, right? So आपने pencil से write करना है, and after writing these statements, आपको जहाँ जो pronoun नज़र आता है आपने उसको highlight करना है. Pronoun, let's recall pronoun. Pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. Noun की जगह पे जो word use किया जाता है, that becomes our pronoun. Names को जो words replace करते हैं, those words are called pronouns. Alright, now let me read first statement to you. He is a friend of Captain. You see, at the end of the sentence, don't forget to put full stop, and the first letter of the sentence should be capital. Capitalization, punctuation, and even space. These are the three significant and very, very important things to keep in your mind while attempting some written work. What is it? Capitalization, punctuation, and spacing. Capitalization means that first letter of each sentence should be capital, right? And punctuation means that put suitable punctuation in your sentences. अगर आपके sentence के अंदर या sentence के end सेंटेंस को एंड कर लिया आपने, तो वहाँ पे आपका फुल स्टॉप होना चाहिए, राइट? अगर क्वेश्चन है देन यू मस्ट एंड योर क्वेश्चन विद अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट punctuation. Then spacing. Spacing means that आपके हर एक word में even space होनी चाहिए. Alright? They are going to buy a car. I like watching them gallop. Gallop means the fastest pace of a horse. Horse जितनी तेज आपको पता है ना दौड़ता है, run करता है, that is called gallop. We have a lot of horses. He gives us carrots and hay. So these are the 5 statements and the total marks of this one test carries 5. 5 marks के लिए आप ये टेस्ट अटैम्प्ट करेंगे. यहाँ पे जो आपको प्रोनाउन नज़र आ रहा है आपने रीड करना है केयरफुली. मे बी एक सेंटेंस में एक से ज़्यादा प्रोनाउन भी हो सकता है, राइट? सो अटैम्प्ट योर टेस्ट वेरी केयरफुली. आफ्टर अटैम्प्टिंग दिस you have to fill up your index at the back side. Alright. Pronouns, 6th August 2020, pronouns, total marks 5. Alright, so that's how you will complete your test. Thank you very much for watching the video. Look after yourself, stay home, stay safe.